Hi, my name is Zain. I am from India and I am a French teacher. In this video, we are going to take the French language test, the French grammar test. Based on the options given below, you have to select the right option and fill in the blank. Okay, if you know the right answer, kindly write it down in the comment section. Let us start. Nous dash français. It means we dash French. Now, être means to be. Okay, it's an infinitive form of verb. In French, verb gets conjugated with the noun. So we can't use être here because être is an infinitive form of verb and we have to use conjugated form of verb. Somme, suis, est means are. A-R-E, are. We are French. But suis is used with the noun je, est is used with the noun il, elle and third party singular. Je ne sais pas means I don't know. And somme is used with the noun nous. So somme is the right answer here. Let us click on somme. Okay, see, it is the right answer. Bravo. Nous sommes français means we are French. Let us go to next. Tu as dash chien. If you know the right answer, kindly write it down in the comment section. Okay, now avant, ave, on, a means have. H-A-V-E, have. Je ne sais pas means I don't know. Avant is used with the noun il, elle and third party plural. Ave is used with the noun vous, V-O-U-S, vous. Vous also means you, but vous is used when you are giving respect to the person or when the you is plural. On, O-N-T, on is used with the noun nous, N-O-U-S, nous. And a is used with the noun tu. Okay, so the right answer is a. Okay, see, right answer is a. Toi un chien means you have a dog. Okay, see, you have a dog. Let us go to third. Il, okay, if you know the right answer, kindly write it down in the comment section. Okay, il y a table dash fauteuil et dash chaise dans la pièce. Now, il y a means there is dash table dash fauteuil means armchair. Okay, a dash chaise means chairs, chairs, chairs. Dans la pièce means in the showroom. Okay, now answer, if you know the answer, write it down in the comment section. Answer will be there is a table, an armchair and chairs in the showroom. Okay, now table is a feminine singular noun. That is why we will use article une, un before table. Okay, fauteuil armchair is a masculine noun. That is why we will use article un in the second call, second blank. Okay, chairs, chaise means chairs. Chairs is a plural noun. Okay, and for plural noun we use des, the particle. So the right answer is the third option. Let us see. Yes, right answer is the third option. Bravo. Okay, il y a une table, un fauteuil, the chaise dans la pièce. It means there is a table, an armchair and some chairs in the room. Okay, let us go to next. Je me dash bourre a dash confiture sur dash tahtin de pont. It means I put dash bourre means butter and dash confiture means jam or jelly, jam, jam. Sur means on, tahti means on top, de pont means bread, on top of the bread. Okay, now in French, when the quantity of a noun is unknown, we use partitive article. Okay, beurre, bourre is a masculine singular noun. That is why we will use particle du, do before bourre. Okay, so in first blank, du, do will come. If you know the right answer, kindly write it down in the comment section. Okay, confiture is a feminine singular noun. That is why we will use article the, la there before confiture. Okay, tahtin is a feminine singular noun. Tahtin depon is a feminine singular noun. That is why we will use article la, la before tahtin. So the right answer is the second option. Okay, let us click and see. Yes, that is the right answer. Je ne sais pas means I don't know. Translation: I put butter and jam on the bread. Je mets du beurre et de la confiture. Okay, let us go to next. L a dash. If you know the right answer, kindly write it down in the comment section. Meaning of the sentence is she is dash. Grand, grand, grand means big, big, big. Jotil means nice. Je ne sais pas means I don't know. Now grand, first GRANDS, grand is used when the noun is plural. Okay. Grand, GRANDE, grand is used when the noun is masculine singular. Okay. And grand, GRAND, grand is used when the noun is masculine plural. So LA, she is a masculine singular noun. That's why we will use grand. Let us see. Yes, grand is the right answer. Okay, translation: LA grand, she is tall, or it is big, or she is big. Okay, let us go to next. Ma grand-parents sont dash. Okay, it means, if you know the right answer, kindly write it down in the comment section. It means my grandparents are dash. Okay, now gentil means nice. Ennuyeux means boring. Fatigué means tired. Sportif means sportive. Je ne sais pas means I don't know. Okay. Now the noun is mixed plural. Mixed plural. Okay. So ennuyeux is used when the noun is feminine singular. Ennuyeux is used when the noun is masculine singular. Fatigué is used when the noun is feminine plural. When the noun is feminine plural. Ennuyeux is used when the noun is feminine singular. Fatigué is used when the noun is feminine plural. Sportif is used when the noun is singular. Okay. Je ne sais pas means I don't know. Gentil will be used because the noun is mixed gender plural. Okay, let us see. Yes, gentil. Okay. Translation: my grandparents are nice. Okay, so gentil. We can't use ennuyeux because grandparents is plural. That is why mixed plural. We can't use fatigué because grandparents again is mixed plural. That is why. Let us go to next. How do you say 1998 in French words? If you know the right answer, kindly write it down in the comment section. Okay. Now, 1900 means 1900. Mil means 100. Mil means 1000. Naf means 100, and 100 means Mil means 1000. Naf means 9, and 100 means 100. 1900. Mil naf 100 means. Soixante means 60. These means 10. 60 plus 10, 70. With means 8. So 1960. These with means 1978. Okay. 1900 means 1900. 1900. Quatre vingt means 40 into 20. Quatre vingt means 40 into 20. That is 80. With means 8. So 1980 with means 1988. Mil means 1000, naf 100 means 900, quatre vingt means 4 into 20, that is 80. This means 10, 80 plus 10, 90, with means 8. So 1980, this with means 1998. Je ne sais pas means I don't know. Let us see the right answer. Yes, that is the right answer. Okay. Let us go to next. Patrick dash. Okay, Patrick dash 15 ans et habite dash France dash Marseille. Marseille. Now, Kwanzaa means 15 years. The meaning is Patrick dash 15 years and live dash France dash Marseille. Now, in English we say Patrick is 15 years, but in French we say Patrick have 15 years. Okay, avoir means to have. Avoir means to have, but we can't use avoir here because it is a conjugated for it is a infinitive form of verb and we have to use conjugated form of verb. Okay, so esta means is, that is why we can't use second option. First option we can't use because it is an infinitive form of verb. Second option esta we can't use because it is and we have to say have. Okay, asa is used with when the noun is third party singular. Sorry, when the noun is two. Okay, and a is used when the third part when a is used when the noun is il and third party singular. Okay, so that is why right option will be the third one, C, third one. Okay, Patrick is 15 years old and lives in France in Marseille. Okay, let us go to next. Yes, nous jouons dash guitar et dash piano. If you know the right answer, kindly write it down in the comment section. It means we play dash guitar and dash piano. Okay. Now again, when the noun is when the quantity of the noun is unknown, we use partitive article. Okay. Guitar is a feminine singular noun. That is why we will use the la here. The la is the partitive article. Okay, option number 2 and option number 3 are partitive article. La means the and la means also the la and do is a partitive article. Okay, and piano is a masculine singular noun. That is why we will use do here. So the right option is second. Yes. Okay, meaning of the sentence is we play the guitar and the piano. Nous jouons de la guitare et du piano. Let us go to next. Nous jouons dash échecs. It means we play the chess. Again, the quantity of the noun is unknown here. That is why we will use partitive article. Here we will use contracted article, not partitive article. Okay, when you want to say at the or of the, then we use partitive article. The la means of the, aux also means of the, ale also means of the, je ne sais pas means I don't know. Now the la is used when the noun is feminine plural. Okay, ale is equal to u. Ale is not used actually. Ale is not at all used. Instead, u is used instead of ale. So u means ale. Okay, so the right answer is u. Okay, we play chess. Okay, we play chess. So I finished my video here. Kindly let me know how did you like my video. Your comments and feedbacks will decide whether I should make such kind of video or not. So I will wait for your comments and feedbacks. Okay, thank you. Bye. Take care. Have a nice day.